In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily upload pictures on Google Drive or how you can easily upload photos to Google Drive. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step, you need to open up Google Drive. Once you do that, click on this plus icon right over here and then click on the upload option. Once you do that, click on your gallery. And from here, you can easily select the photos you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload these two photos. You can easily click on them. And once you're done doing that, click on the done option right over here. And your photos are going to start uploading, or they're going to be sent to Google Drive. So your all photos are going to start uploading onto Google Drive. As you can see, mine right over here are uploading. So as you can see, my photos are finished uploading, so I have successfully uploaded my pictures onto Google Drive. So that's how you can easily upload your photos to Google Drive. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.